Here's Andre Coluccelli again for you. This is my fourth lesson in basics for percussions and cajon, especially for cajon. And today I would like to show you a very nice fill that you can use for a change in a song from a verse to a chorus or to a bridge. You need it. It refreshes the whole song if you can play that. It's gonna be in 16ths and it's gonna be 4E and E on this position. So I counted for you 1, 2, 3, yeah, 2, 3, and then we play 4E and E. And you play right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4E and E. 1, 2, 3, 4E and E. 1, 2, 3, 4E and E. 1, 2, 3. Play with me. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you play it with the beat, like we can play a 4/4 beat, you can play it in there. I show you. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4E and E. 1, 2, 3, 4E and E. Yeah, you play right, left, right, right, left, right, left. It means when you stop on 3 with your right hand, you should play then 4E and E starting with your right hand. It's very important because then after that you play this, you come directly to your right hand and you're again in the beat. And it grooves much better. It's much cleaner. Everything sounds good and it's not so difficult. I show you. It goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4E and E. 1, 2, 3, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right. One, 2, 3, 4E and E. 1, 2, 3. If you're sitting on a cajon, just play with me so you get used to. Good. Always relaxed. Okay. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna play with the bass player so we hear when it changes. But it's gonna be very much changes because we play a loop and we play often this fill. Normally in a song you play 4 fills, 5 fills, but not so much like we are playing now. This is just because we are rehearsing this fill. But when the bass player plays now with us, he's gonna change very much time so we get used to how to change with a fill. Okay, are you ready? Then we can start. Right on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4E and E. 1, 2, 3. Gonna play for about 2 minutes. Right on. Play relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4E and E. Get ready to stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Good job. So this fill helps you to enter to other parts and let the other musicians also hear when the other part comes, and even the other people, the audience, they also hear that there's coming another part. So a fill is very important. You should play it very, very relaxed and in time. This is the most important thing. Not too loud. It should be dynamical. Don't hit it too strong because you get pain in your hand, and you don't gonna play very long cajon because you use your hands. You don't have any sticks and that. So play very relaxed. You're gonna have also a much better sound if you play very relaxed and gentle your cajon. Your cajon, if you hit it very strong, this cajon, you see this little case, will not be big as a room then when you play it. It stays always small as it is. And so you should play your cajon this way to make it sound how this cajon sounds. Yes, you must find it out, and this is what you can do. Okay, nice to meet you again here in this lesson, and subscribe, and if you liked something, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you the next time. Andre Coluccelli was for you right here on stage to show you this. Bye bye, take care.